All right, everyone. The El Camino is almost here, but unluckily it encountered a blowout, so I'm gonna go rescue it. Already popped a tire off the Blazer. I'm gonna load up the jack, and we're gonna go see what we can do about this thing. Come on, let's go. All right, there she is, folks. Let me get out of the car, survey the carnage. That's probably the tire. Putting the new tires on, and they're rolling away. Didn't even get a chance to get a good shot first. But they're gonna follow me home here in just a second, and we'll have it, and I'll show some unloading footage. Off they go with the 40 truck cab. Now I gotta figure out how to get an El Camino with two flat front tires pushed into here. So I'm probably gonna rob some more tires off of that Blazer and slap them on here, because I just don't think I'm pushing that thing in here by myself, but we'll see. All right, y'all, so this thing is not gonna roll with the tires that it had on it. Just not gonna happen. So I went ahead and robbed two more tires off the Blazer to give us 4 good rolling tires. Now my lovely girlfriend is gonna help me push it in. And we'll see how that goes. Oh, get that crusty old guy out of there. Oops. How did I have my sunflower? Oh, you're all right. Get in here. Oh, you're gonna have to go back up again. Yeah, I'm gonna raise it up. Fit quite right. All right. Okay, that's good. No shocks in there. All right, guys, I got the front tires on here. My girlfriend's in there sitting on a pillow, and we're gonna push it in. We started to push it, the two of us back here, and it just started rolling on down. So I figure I can get it just by myself. See what I can do one-handed. One-handed pushing. You ready to steer, babe? Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, hold on. All right, I'm gonna have to do this. She's home. I need some water. That was a heck of a push in the hot sun, but we got her done. My girlfriend is not happy with her hands. I couldn't be more thrilled right now. But I'm going to give you guys a breakdown. Don't you touch it with those hands. I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on the next video, and we'll go through the whole thing. Right now, I need some friggin' water.